To unfold the box, close the buckle and pull the strap upwards until it clicks into place. Pull and hold the front release lever while pressing the top button. If you don't hear the mechanism click into place, first open the front door. Then push the U-frame upwards until it clicks into place. You should now see the red safety indicator on the strap. If this solution doesn't work, refold the box and open the door. Loosen the 4 countersunk screws. Pull the frame part with the 2 elongated holes towards you. Now tighten the countersunk screws. You should now hear it click into place. And that's it.